Who are you yelling at? What? You better F you to you, meanie. You're mad because I coughed. Really? All because my... Look at... You hush it up. Look at my floor. Oh. You better hope people don't know what you're saying. Because you was throwing a lot of not nice things in there. But I love you anyway. Don't turn your back on me. Look at this floor. Look at this. Who's going to clean it up? Oh, you better be nice. Now say I love you. Say sorry. I love you. Oh, I still love you. I'm giving you other loves. Oh, you little stinker. You're not. Are you funny? Clean up your mess. Go look at that mess. Look at it. Who did it? Who did that mess? Herbie. Stinker.